Welcome back to another inspirational video with lifestyle designer Teresa. On this channel, I share lifestyle content, home decorating, home styling, some DIYs, and more. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here today. And to my existing subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to come back and visit me, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Now guys, you already know what this video is going to be about, but before I leave, I want to say many blessings to you and also your family. Guys, I will be talking in and out the video. I am adding this book stand. I actually purchased it from Ross. It is very heavy. And now I'm going to add a recipe book. If you missed my last haul, I purchased 2 of these trays from Ross with the gold embellishment on them. I absolutely love these trays. I have been going in and out of Ross looking for some, but every time I go in, they would never have them. So when they did have them, I said, I'm going to purchase 2. So here you see me bringing in this cookie jar. I consider it a cookie jar I purchased from Ross in black and white. It's absolutely lovely. I love the black and white look. I'll be adding this white vase that I purchased from Ross. Absolutely beautiful with the 3D floor on front and gold with the added lemon touch in the vase and green florals. I purchased this creamer and sugar jar as well from Ross. So I think I got it where I want it to be at this point. So we're going to leave it right there. So now I'm coming in with these beautiful plates that are embellished with gold. And I have 4 of them, and I will be placing them here. They look absolutely beautiful on this easel. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I hope your day has been going great thus far. Mine has been beautiful thus far. So now we're adding this second tray that I purchased from Ross. Remember I said when I went in there and I seen they had them, I purchased 2 of them so I wouldn't have to come back for another because I wanted 2 of them. So I purchased 2 right away.
Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way.
I'm adding these beautiful gold embellished cups that matches the plates that I put on the easel to the side. These are some absolutely beautiful coffee cups embellished in gold with the fleur de lis on it.
Sometimes you fall.
So now I am adding my apples back to the mix. As I once spoke, if you watch one of my previous videos, I love these apples and I think they're going to stay out for some time. I am loving and crushing on these apples. I also purchased those from Ross.
Before you try being on your own side for once. Keep it in here, lock it. Keep it in here, then lock it.
So now I'll be adding another tray which is embellished in gold. I already had this one, but it was purchased at Ross some time ago. I'll be adding my vinegar and all jars to that.
Sometimes you fall.
As well as this beautiful geese with some added lemon and lime in it. So now you'll see me bringing on this beautiful ginger jar. It is embellished in gold. I purchased this from Ross some time ago as well.
Torn apart in every way. Ruin the romance in a slow-mo dance. Now we're going under.
And now I'm adding this beautiful creamer pour. And I just added some flowers to it as well as a lemon and a lime.
If it all up, set me free. You know the one day I will. Get you off my mind.
Now to my stove, I'm going to be adding this gold tray that did come from Home Goods. This one came from Home Goods. I purchased some time ago. Adding to that is this beautiful base in gold with the gold spoons. I purchased the vase and the spoons from Ross. And also the spoon holder in gold was purchased from Ross also some time ago. Now I'll be adding this mirror tray that I purchased from Burlington, and that was some time ago as well. Along with this DIY I did with a candle holder and a plate in which I spray painted gold. So to this I will be adding some greenery. And now these beautiful lemon slices. I purchased these lemon slices from Shein and I thought they were absolutely so cute. These are the cutest little lemon slices. I wish I would have purchased more. So now I'll be adding my paper towel holder back to this area. This is normally where I keep my paper towel holder. And I try to keep this area simple. Now I'm adding this gold and white cup I purchased from Ross some time ago to my coffee pot. My intention was to throw this coffee pot away And I thought about it when I started styling, and I said, you'll see in the end where I am removing this coffee pot, because my intention was to trash the coffee pot. So now I'm adding these beautiful plates with the teacups that I purchased from Home Goods. They're actually saucers that I purchased from Home Goods. These are some absolutely beautiful cups. I love them. I fell in love with them when I first seen them at Home Goods. So just to speak on the coffee pot, I don't know what happened, but it's damaged. It really hadn't been working well because it is an old coffee pot. I'm really not a coffee drinker, but I kept it there for aesthetics. I bought it some time ago, and I've always just kept it there for aesthetics. So now I'm going to be adding this apothecary jar that I purchased from Home Goods with some added lemons and lime. Adding to that is this mirror tray that I thrifted some time ago at the local Goodwill. And also to the tray, I will be adding my French vanilla. My family likes coffee, so I be sure to keep coffee on hand. Now you see me adding this beautiful cloche with the lemons that I purchased from Shein. So guys, we are now getting ready for this reveal of my summer kitchen.
I found love, the real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. the real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss.